Mas tataas na ang tsansa ng agriculture students na makapasa sa licensure examination for agriculturists matapos pumirma sa isang kasunduan ng Commission on Higher Education. Sa ilalim ng kasunduan, lahat ng agri-students sa 15 state universities and colleges ay mabibigyan ng libreng online review classes na pangungunahan ng University of the Philippines, Los Baños. Hakbang ito ng CHED matapos mapag-alamang maraming SUCs na nag-aalok ng kursong agrikultura ang nakakakuha ng mas mababang national passing percentage sa licensure exam. Bunso naman ito ng kawalan ng review schools sa kanilang mga lugar o di kaya dahil sa kakulangan ng budget. Lalo't aabot sa 10 hanggang 15,000 piso ang bayad sa review classes. Tinatayang nasa 500 agri-students ang makikinabang dito at magsisimula na ang kanilang review sa susunod na buwan bilang paghahanda sa licensure exam sa Oktubre.
This is very crucial in under the Marcos administration because, as you know, food security is a centerpiece initiative of this administration. And we have to keep, number one, we have to encourage more students to go to agriculture. But even if more students go to agriculture, we have to make sure more of them become agriculturists. Because even if the enrollment goes up, if the passing rate in the licensure is down, then we cannot produce. And we do it because the average age of farmers are getting older and older.